Hey YouTubers, chainsaw freaks, in a bit of a different location this time. We just going to show you a bit of the gear I have for building the 460, the MS460. This is not in any way to take away from the videos that I'm going to be doing for the 090, pretty much bolt for bolt videos. I've got the first one up there. A few of you have probably seen. There's another one edited and ready to go, and there'll be 2 more parts after that, and you'll see it running as well too with the 090 running. So that's all to come. But just want to show you a few of the goodies before I get into the MS460 build, and also just ask a question, get you guys to comment if you would, just on whether you would like to see me just get straight into the build, or do you want to see me tear down the 4.6 and then get into the build. So yeah, like, comment, subscribe at the end of this video, and tell me what you think. Do you want me to just get straight into the bolt for bolt on the 4.6, or do a full tear down and then into the bolt for bolt? Up to you guys. So anyway, without any further ado, we'll get into the parts that I've ordered here. And as you can see in front of you, you have the genuine Stilh clutch cover, bar cover. So that's not coming out of its packet until I'm ready. You can see the number on there. It's the parts number. This does quite a few different saw models. I think it even fits right down to the MS260, possibly. Anyway, here is the seals gasket kit. That's a highway one. Really reliable, these seals and gaskets. You can see they've got a metal cylinder gasket, got the exhaust gasket, the seals for the flywheel side and the clutch side, and then the case gasket and the heat reflector. So that's that. Moving on over here, brand new top cover. I'll put the MS460 logo in there. Brand new top cover, and air filter cover as well too. So all that's brand new. Some of this is aftermarket parts. I tried to predominantly go with highway. Anyway, I've just put this label in there. I'm going to try and clean it up a bit more, but yeah, that's a new pull start cover, and I'll replace all this in here, all that with the Stilh parts as well too, and put the elasto start in there as well too. New handlebar, and what else we got over here? New fuel tank, rear handle. A lot of the parts in there will be getting replaced as well too with the genuine Stilh. We'll get over to here. We've got a cool box here, highway box, as you can see, and inside here, check this out first, is the brand new muffler. Get rid of that. Brand new highway Magnum MS460 muffler. This has got the dual port in it. Whether I leave the spark arresters in or not is debatable, but yeah, there it is in all its beauty. I don't think it has any baffles. It does feel like it. So I might have to make sure those flow well, drill out some of those baffles. Anyway, moving on over here, rim sprocket, needle cage bearing. I've got another one of these as well too, just for a backup. New clutch, and clutch drum. It fits the rim sprocket on. So it's all new. And new cases. New cases. So you might be a bit disappointed, but I couldn't resist it, and I've already done a little bit of work on these cases. So this actually came as a full engine. It had the cylinder on it and everything like that, and the crank in it and everything, and the bearings already in it, the seals already in it, but got rid of all that stuff. And I'll get rid of these annular buffers. They aren't very good, these AV mounts, so get rid of those. But what I did want to show you is what I did, and that is swap out the bearings. So what you're looking at now is actually the new ceramic hybrid bearings that I've put in here. And as you can see in there, see how black the bearings are? They're ceramic coated, and they're hard, and they are perfectly round. And the spin on them is just incredible. Really cool. So, looking forward to getting that done. I've got to pull this through a bit more to meet up with the oiler. So I'll do that. All right, I'll do that for you so you can see that on the build. Just so you can see the pulling tools that I used and stuff like that. Okay, on those crankcases there. But so they're all new, and there's a big long package here as well too. Carlton chain. Carlton chain. I don't know if you guys have heard of Carlton, but they recently, well, I don't know how recently actually, but they've been bought out by Oregon. So that is an Oregon chain technically. But so I don't know how good these chains are. Hopefully they're as good as the Oregon counterparts. Get how that goes. But anyway, I have bought, if I can get it out. Oh, hang on. Here we go. There we go. Oh yeah, can you see that? Can you see it? Sugihara. Replaceable nose tip. And got an oiler hole in there for the sprocket as well too. And this is a 25-inch Sugihara bar suited for Stilh, and that's what my 4.6 is going to be running. And look at the finish on it, just absolutely beautiful. These are Japanese, made in Japan, as you can see there, and they're really quality bars. I wanted one for ages, and so I finally got one for the 4.6. So this is what I mean by it's going to look like a brand new saw. Like, it's going to look really nice. It's going to look great with all this gear going into it. And as I said, I swapped these AV mounts. They're a bit stiff. Swapped them out for all the original Stilh parts off the other donor saw as such as it goes. Some of these parts I might eventually swap out for OEM as well too. We'll just see how it goes from here. But yeah, that's pretty much it. That's what I have to unbox. Look at that bar. Oh yeah, look at that bar. Sugihara. That is a main thing. And so once it's all together, she's going to look pretty sick. Yeah, definitely will. With all these shiny new bits on it. And hopefully it'll run pretty good as well too, especially with those ceramics in there. Ceramics! Oh yeah. So anyway, like, comment, subscribe, guys. And tell me if you want to, once again, see that see the breakdown of the MS460 that I've showed you at the beginning of the 09 videos, or do you want me to just get straight into the build? Like, comment, subscribe, and for now, Stilh for life. Stilh. See.